Behold, we have totally excavated the oven, or what was an oven. Here's a new one from Lowe's. We got a great deal, and it's worth modifying the cabinets. So we figured out that the vertical space we have is not enough. This oven has a pretty tall upper area. So what we're going to do is we're going to lower this bit here down on top of this. So the shelf, the whole thing, is going to move down to about there, and the space then should be, I believe, the maximum tolerance for the oven. I put a hole in here because I was trying to loosen everything up with a hammer. Hit it a few times in the same spot and it came on through. I didn't realize it wasn't cut around that corner piece. It's actually underneath it. I can't take the corner pieces out because I believe they're holding all the cabinets together. On the bottom, we've got a crossbeam that sits on top of one of these corner pieces. I'll have to notch that and move that crossbeam down. I'll probably use my oscillating tool to go straight in. And that big square was just a big block of wood sitting there, basically just a support for the rear part of the drawer, the roller that goes down the middle. That was a really light thing. I pulled it off mostly with my hands. Now I'm trying to pry that beam off. It's stapled from the back, just like that block was. Just like this old the shelf that used to be here was. Since a lot of the staples were from the outside of the cabinet. So anyway, that's where we are. I may end up having to get a smaller one of these. It's a little deep. I may have to get a smaller one so that it fits against the wall a little snugger. The space from the front of this to the edge of this, I believe, is just under the maximum depth. So I'm probably going to have to either move it or, I guess I'll probably just move it under, just route the wire down through the shelf, but either move it or get something that's more shallow. So that's where we are. The other thing is, the width is also just a little narrow. So I'm going to have to take a 1/16 of an inch off down both sides. That should be no biggie at all. I'm not worried about that. We can handle that. So that's where we are. We lost our drawer. Oh well, we'll find a place to put trivets and pizza stone. So that's us.